Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. My name is Devna and I'm from Advice. It's an education and migration company based in Adelaide CBD. And I'm going to ask you a few random questions to help international students navigate their journey in Australia. So, are you ready?
Sure, why not?
Perfect. So, first question is one quick survival tip for the first week in Australia.
You should open a bank account, get a SIM card, and also get your metro card. That
Yes.
will definitely help you in traveling through the city and suburbs.
The weather is quite unpredictable. Sometimes it starts raining or it's too cold. So keep all types of clothes for the hot weather as well as the cold weather.
Definitely, that was very helpful actually. And what was your first part time job in Australia and how was the experience?
I was hunting for many jobs, but I already did my short course of barista in India. So it helped me over here. So like for 2 weeks, I just worked in a cafe.
Right.
So I would suggest if you do some courses in India and come, so it will help. My first and current job is in my own field. So I'm studying Masters of Project Management, and I got a job through LinkedIn. So I applied it through LinkedIn, and then I landed as an assistant project manager job because I had previous experience back in India.
Right.
So I'm an architect as well. So that's how
nice, lovely.
I got the job. So LinkedIn.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So, guys, right now go and create an account on LinkedIn, which might help you in getting not just a part time job, but also full time job later in your life. And did you already know people here or had to build your circle from scratch?
I had few friends from back in India who were with me in the college. So yeah, they helped me in finding my accommodation and all through the leaving. So yeah.
So I have few of my friends who came here back in the previous intake. So I had some connections, and from them I got to know about the city and how to like go through all the university and
Right.
stuff like that.
Oh no, I don't know anyone in Adelaide. I had people like friends and relatives back in Sydney, but no one in Adelaide. So everything from scratch. But that's the fun part when you come to a different country and city. So it's good. It's not too bad. Yeah.
How did you find your first accommodation?
That is really tough.
Definitely.
One of my roommate, she was joined in some Gujarati group. So here there are many religion groups basically.
Okay.
So they usually keep posting on some things and all. So from there I got my first accommodation.
As I told, I had my friends in India, in Australia, so they helped me in finding. I used to search on Facebook marketplaces and everywhere. So I asked one of them to go for inspection, so they helped me.
What sort of accommodation website do you recommend international students?
Flatmate, realestate.com, or maybe Facebook.
Right, these are top like websites and social media platforms where you can find accommodation.
So my agent helped me through that. I was living in Scape,
Okay.
and then I moved out from Scape like almost a year. After a year, actually before 1 year, and then I moved to a different house with two of my other friends. So that accommodation we got through a mutual friend of ours. So connections, guys.
And lastly, what's one university tip you would like to give fellow international students who are just coming to Australia?
One tip would be you can miss your lectures, but don't miss your workshop and tutorials. Those are more important than your lectures. You can see the recording of your lectures online, but you can't see your workshops and tutorials.
Yeah, that's it. Because you have to attend all your lectures because you will not get to know what you're doing because here the culture is very different.
Right,
You have
definitely.
to get cope up with that and everything. So you just have to look into all the lectures. Then you have to self-study is more important over here.
Yeah, so one tip I would say is like try to schedule your day first. Like you should be good at time management because a lot of things you have to work on. You have to join associations, clubs, even you have to work on your studies. After that, you need to get some time for your part-time job and stuff like that. So I think time management is a key.
Just join too many clubs here in the university and then attend as many events as you can, because it's fun. Like, you meet a lot of people, you get free food, that's bonus. And
It's actually a bonus.
and yeah, it's fun actually. And then you have lots of creative events happening, cultural events happening throughout the university. So yeah, just join clubs and attend events.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And that was really insightful. International student, take a keynote from her, okay?
Thank you so
All
much.
good.
It was
Take
nice
care.
talking to you.
Same
Bye.
here. Bye bye. But thank you so much. And what's your good name again?
Janvi.
Thank you, Janvi. Lovely talking to
you
you.
so much.
Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Abhay, for providing such insightful answers. And we hope that you have great experience in Australia. Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Take care. Thank you so much for your time,
Thank
and
you.
hope you get the part-time job and you excel in your career. All the best. Thank you so much. Take care.